At WAGO, we make control cabinet solutions smarter, faster, and more reliable. From seamless connections to cutting-edge automation, we help you power the future. Make connections simple with TopJob S terminal blocks. Our push-in technology gives you secure and maintenance-free connections in seconds, saving time and effort. Power up with confidence with power systems that run efficiently, reduce waste, and deliver reliable performance. When precision matters, our circuit breakers, UPS systems, signal conditioners, relays, and transformers deliver reliable performance every time. Take control like never before. Our advanced PLCs and I/O systems give you the flexibility and power to optimize your automation processes with ease. Stay organized with our smart marking solutions. Durable and easy to read labels make identification fast and effortless. WAGO Control Cabinet Solutions, ready for the future today.